Let's make the ultimate comfort food, shepherd's pie. For the ingredients, I'm using lean ground beef, diced white onion, carrots and mushrooms, some Worcester sauce, a little nutmeg, and broth. Also peeled and chopped russet potatoes, unsalted butter and cream, and 2 cans of creamed corn. The full recipe is in the description. I'll start by preheating the oven to 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. To start, I'll add the potatoes to a Dutch oven of boiling water and I'll add a generous pinch of salt. I'll let them cook until they're fork tender. Then I'll drain them and return them to the pot. I'll add the butter and cream and mash until smooth. While the potatoes are cooking, I'll melt some butter and add the diced onion and carrot. I'll saute for about a minute, then I'll add some salt and continue sauteing until they soften. I'll then add the ground beef and break it up. You could also use a combination of lean and extra lean ground beef, or a mix of beef and pork, or even ground chicken. When most of the pink is gone, I'll remove as much fat as possible. Next, I'll add the mushrooms and cook until they soften. I'll pour in the Worcester sauce and add the nutmeg and I'll mix well. Then I'll add half a cup of beef broth. I'll mix to let everything come together. In a casserole dish, I'll spread the beef mixture evenly. I'll then pour over 2 cans of creamed corn and spread it out evenly. Finally, I'll top with the mashed potatoes and pretend I'm icing a lumpy cake. This part's optional, but I'll sprinkle a bit of paprika for color. I'll bake it for 45 minutes and then broil on high for 2 minutes until the top turns a lovely golden color. I'll let it rest for a few minutes before serving. It never plates beautifully, so don't judge harshly here, but this is delicious. It's warm and comforting. It also freezes perfectly, and I enjoyed it all week for lunch at work. Enjoy.